Excuse me, you're missing something. Well, I tell you what, there's a first time for everything, and for me, this is the first time sitting in an auto car. And just check it out, all the old school controls and everything. Just look at that. Your AC, your floor heat, it opens the thing in the door, your air brake. I mean, wow. Capolova, dead Navistar with no horn and cabs everywhere. And there's a Sterling with broken horns and a bunch of yard dogs and a roadway truck. They got everything. There's a mini loud thingy on that, but it's broken. That there looks like a GMC, I don't know, Brigader or something. It's got the boat horns. Looks like there's a bee's nest on one of them. There's a little Ford. Navistar, dude. Hello, gorgeous. A little bouncy. What are you? You don't say. I'm gonna guess Hadley because it's Mac, but it doesn't have the new style. I see boat horns over there. There's a white cab over. Boat horn. And other stuff, but still looking for a Navistar that has a hood that's intact. There's a freaking Paystar with boat horns there. That would be nice, but it's kind of overgrown. Well, I mean, I got it. Interesting way of securing the horn down. I guess it's only got one. I don't see another one, but holy smokes. I hope I can get this off. This would be cool. And it's probably the stutter tone. Yeah, you did. Do. Stealing boat horn. Not stealing, it's a junkyard. Do. Fast forward. Come on, sir. Yeah, there we go. Boat horn, number 1, from Grover Air Products, LA. Here's your air chuck. Oh. Screw that back in. Now, I gotta ask everybody what this is, because none of these horns seem to have a freaking name on them. We got this, we got boat horn, and I think, other than that, all we need is that Ford over there.
Hello there.
Alright, now we gotta try to do some stuff to get those bad boys off of there. Okay, so a bit of an update with the Ford. I was gonna take these Hadleys off that probably had a really nice harmonic tone to them, but as you can see, they're a little rusted. Oh! So whoever owned the truck decided to patch it, and by doing that, they just rerouted the air lines and put a freaking Grover right there. So these horns are junk, obviously. Can't use them. But yeah, I guess I'll just take this Grover because none of the Navistars up here have them. So good enough.